G'day guys, Vid here from Stand Out from the Puck, and I'd like to invite you to our next upcoming workshop where I'll be teaching how you can build your own business website in just one day using our AI-powered drag and drop builder. So here's the reality. Most businesses wait weeks, sometimes months, for a website that never quite feels ready. And in that time, they're losing potential customers every single day. People are searching for solutions, browsing competitor websites, filling out their inquiry forms, and downloading their lead magnets, while you're still waiting on a developer or trying to make everything perfect before you launch. But here's the truth. Done is better than perfect. In business, speed is critical, especially today with AI changing the game and opportunities disappearing fast. Waiting could mean missing out altogether. That's why in our next free workshop, I'll show you how to create a clean, lead-ready website in just one day using our AI-powered drag and drop builder. You'll watch me build one live, learn the exact page structure that converts, and walk away with our website blueprint worksheet so you can launch quickly. So whether you're starting from scratch or just sick of delays, this is your shortcut to getting online and getting leads. And if you've got an old site that looks as tired as a pair of old sneakers, this is a quick win for you too. Because remember, done is better than perfect, and speed always wins. So get online now, optimize later, click the link or scan the QR code you can see on the screen. You'll get to see exact date and time when I'm running this. RSVP, and let's get your business website live and lead capture ready. Oh, by the way, I run this workshop every week. So if you wanted to come along to any other ones, you can opt in for reminders and I'll just send you an email when I've got the next one. All right, see you at the workshop.